Hello. Hello and welcome to the final episode of MADVENT. Um, it's been 24 days since I started this. I know I sort of loosely said I would do 25 days. Hey, Patrick. Um, but I'm way too busy tomorrow, working all day, and then I have stuff in the evening. So there was basically no time for me to do a final hour tomorrow. So we're doing 2.5 hours today. A little worried. 2.5 hours. Not a small amount of work to do. There's no music in the game. There's no sounds in the game. There are no animations in the game, unless you count the procedural ones. The game doesn't have a name, although I believe we finally decided on one. And today me and Ren did a little competition to see who would come up with the best logo. And Ren, being an actual artist, won. I should say actual visual artist. But yeah, I mean, it's not a small amount of work. It doesn't help that I actually want to do a decent amount of coding because I'm not as happy with the VR controls or just general controls as I wish I was. Both with how the feet move, I think it's not great, and also with how the I want to be able to move the Colossus sort of up and down a little bit, like crouch. So that's not amazing, but it's not impossible to fix that. I have a plan, which is that I'm going to very quickly add sound effects. Yeah, mainly sound effects. Animation is important, but if it's not in the final game, that's not gonna hurt me. Yeah, so I'm gonna add animation. Then I'm gonna make sure to split up and tidy up the main menu a bit, so that has the logo of the game, and you can select whether you want to play in camera mode or VR mode, and we'll make sure that sort of works. It doesn't come up with an error every time you load the game. Oof. So we'll do that because that's kind of necessary for final product. Then I'm going to refactor the control system slightly, but hopefully it will be quick. I'm hoping to get that done in under an hour. And then hopefully we should have another hour, 30 minutes maybe, to polish, catch any bugs, rebalance the game a little bit, add some animations. I have done the animations. So the thing about this project is that I am going to release what I end up with. Come midnight tonight, whatever I have. I mean, maybe if there's something game breaking, because there's been minutes here and there, but like whatever I have is going to be put on my itch.io page. I'm literally just going to package it and then make a very quick itch.io page and put it up, and everyone can play it. Oh, sorry. So I just want to get into a state where that's good, but I will obviously probably still work on it a little bit and make sure it's polished, and I'll upload new versions as they come, but they won't be streamed. They will be in my own time, not this speed running stuff. It's been a weird experience. I've never, I've done a lot of game jams in the past, and this was both great because I had so much time to breathe in between the hours, and I felt well rested, and I never really did an hour where I felt that I was burnt out, and I got so much done. I was so productive. Like, we're at what, 22.5 hours? That's insane for the amount of work that's been put into this and what we've got as a project. Which really goes to show, because I've done plenty of 48 or 72-hour jams, or even week-long jams, and some of them are a bit more polished, but usually that's because I would get to 24 hours just collapse. Not collapse, but just feel beaten and just done. And I'd be like, what we've got now is minimum viable product. Let's polish it and release it and get it out there. And I feel like I've never made it as far as I have, even though I have maybe half the time. And obviously part of that is due to the fact that I don't have to waste any time making assets. But I haven't made assets for any of this until yesterday. And the only time I actually dedicated a lot of time towards MADVENT in between doing MADVENT was the time I did a bunch of research on how inverse kinematics worked and then figured out how to implement my own. And that's great. It's great that it, I mean, that was a rocky road getting implemented, but it worked. But, you know, that's something you could do. I mean, that's knowledge I'm going to forever retain. So I could have done that before a game jam, and I still would have been able to do that during a game jam, which is cool. So I think it really goes to show that, like, when you sort of evenly space out and plan out your work, while it can take a lot longer, and that's probably the worst part about it, is that this has taken 25 days. This has taken a month, just under. Maybe 3 weeks, just over 3 weeks. But, like, to get to this point, whereas with a game jam, it's a weekend. So it wasn't over very soon. I was constantly being like, oh, I've got to keep thinking about this. I've got to keep moving forward. But it kind of worked. And it kind of made whatever we've made, you know? And I'm very happy with it. I'm hoping I can get the final changes I want to get in. Oh, yeah, that sounds pretty good. There's plenty of chill game jams out there, the ones that run for months. And I've always wanted to kind of do one, but it's hard to keep that motivation up. The fact that I felt like I needed to stream this every day is sort of what kept me going here. But also that it was only an hour of my time, because I feel like doing those, like the one game jam I did for a week, which was it was for my university, where I made a game called Slimes Against Humanity. Great game. And I made that with a uni friend. The thing about that one was, like, we spent every available minute working on it. We had like 5 days or something crazy, and we just spent all of those 5 days. It was during quarantine, like we just had nothing else to do. And we just kept like iterating and making it better and better and better and better. And that's the thing, is that when you have the time, you want to use the time, but then that absorbs all of your time, which isn't great. So we have 6 minutes. I'm going to really quickly try and show off the two logos that me and Ren came up with. Shouldn't be too hard to show them. Get a project. Logos. So I'm going to start with my one, which is the inferior one. Oh, cool. You can see the other one. Perfect. Let's do a little add window capture. Just a new one, not live split. Photos. I'm just gonna Is it showing? Is it doing anything? Okay, that doesn't want to do it. That's not it. That's weird. It won't let me record the Photos app. It's very strange. Capture method, Windows 10. Nothing. Client area. Nothing. Okay. Well, that's a shame. Genuinely don't know how else to record it. I guess it's so weird. Maybe there's another app I can open up in. Hang on. Open with Paint. Yes, Paint. That'll work. Paint has been my friend. Yes! Perfect. This is the name of the game, Tooth and Claw. Ren came up with that one, and I was very happy with it. The best thing I had before was Cattle Royale, which didn't work because that makes it sound like it's about cows. But yeah, this was my design for the logo. I like the font. I don't much like anything else about it. And it's pretty basic because that's just how I am as a graphic designer. And it didn't take me too long to move. But yeah, Tooth and Claw, I liked it. I made sure to check that there wasn't really anything else that uses it. But I did find out that I had forgotten there is a Doctor Who episode called Tooth and Claw, so that felt like a nice little cyclical thing. And then I'm pretty sure I just open. Oh, desktop, go to projects, MADVENT. There it goes. This is Ren's version. So a lot more stylized, more monochromatic, but I think actually it's just I love the little eyes and the mouth and the tail, and it's a little hard to. I mean, maybe it's a little hard to read, but I really don't care. Like I think it's so pretty. So this is the logo of the game. This will be on the main menu and the edge page. I'm very happy with it. Okay, we are getting to the time. Let's just like quickly type down what my plan. Oh, thank you, Patrick. So number one, we need to add sound effects. Number two, we need to separate the VR and camera controls. Number three, refactor the Colossus controls. Number four, add animation plus background music. Hey Michaela, I'm glad you can make it. Oh, thank you so much for watching. This is going to be slightly embarrassing. I had a feeling that people I work with would be here to watch today, but that's fine. It's a nice finale. What else do I need to do? I think that's mainly everything I want to get accomplished today for the last... It's not small. It is not small. But I think it's worth it. Oh, right. Rebalance. Yeah, so I did actually finally get to playtest the game because I obviously can't play it at the same on the same machine. So I playtested with Ren, and we had a bit of difficulty. The climbing and reducing the sort of physics and the way that the physics are handled made it actually a really difficult game. So actually, I'll keep this file, just delete you. Or I'll just hide you. There you go. So it made it like sort of slippery and very difficult to sort of climb the beast. So we kind of want to change that. But other than that, yeah, I'm ready to start. I've totally forgotten what the first thing was. Add sound effects. Cool. Let's do it. Here's Godot. Here's what it looks like. Oh, final 2.5 hours. Okay, let's go. So I've already got all of the sound effects loaded in. I'm going to start with the stomp because that's the most important one. That's easy. We can just go to the damage zone, which, by the way, also I need to change this. I just remembered this particle effects. You're a one shot. Perfect. Okay. And now it needs a new child node called Audio Stream Player 3D. So this is the stream player. Animation stream. New audio stream, microphone, generator. Right, yes, we got WAV and MP3. So the foot stomp is a WAV. And I assume... Oh, you know what? I bet you anything I can just like clear this and drag this into here. Perfect. This might be a little loud for all of your ears, but that's what it's going to sound like. So excitement for that. Volume, maybe down like a very small amount. We'll see how that works. Playing, autoplay, what's that mean? When it adds to the tree, that's exactly what I want. No looping though, hopefully. Buses master, I'm not going to set up buses, but maybe that'll be a thing we do. No max distances, I don't think. Stream pause, pitch scale. Absolute maximum sound level, sure. I kind of want to get that to like 0. I mean, sounds like inverse squares last I checked, but I guess we'll do inverse. It might make more sense. Oh wow, it travels so much further. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And then that should just play, do its thing. Do we need a listener like in Unity? I did not check this, but I don't think we do. I'm struggling to think where it would be. I guess in the camera. Where's your thing? Delete nodes, add child node. So audio, there's audio stream player. Ooh, yes, there is a stream listener. Okay, so I guess that'll be here. It will listen things. Current, what does that mean? The current one used? Yeah, sure. And then, yeah, save you. And then, oh, not here, sorry. Big player, here we go. This camera will be the other listener. So you also need an audio listener 3D. You're also the current one. Okay. I guess we need to test it, which means we need to actually set up VR. So I'm actually going to... I'm not going to pause timer. Okay. Let me make sure... Ooh, the faceplate came off. That's a really bad time for that to happen. No, faceplate. Come back on. There we go. Into the metaverse. Okay. Alright, I think it's going to have disconnected. Enable quest link. Nice. Oh, that's not what I... The hand tracking is not great. Quest link. Launch. Okay, here we go. You gonna work for me? Oh, perfect. All right, it's working. Now let's just play the game. Yeah, and so the LAN connection that I set up. So now you can basically play this game with anyone as long as you're both connected to the same network. It would just work, which is fantastic. Okay. You're gonna work for me. Let's see how loud this is gonna be. That's weird. Oh, I realize I'm on the wrong. You? There we go. Hello. Oh. Oh no. Well, this is part of what I want to solve with the thing. Okay, well, it definitely worked for the, Yeah, I'm assuming you can hear on your end. I can't hear on the VR headset. That might be because I have the volume turned down. I do not. Maybe it's because I'm really far away from it. I guess I can scale down and then be like, oh boy. Yeah. Guess that right. Ooh, that's actually kind of freaky. Hello. Ooh. Got some frame drops. That's strange. I guess it must be the number of particles on screen. Bit of overdraw or something. Oh yeah, right. I also removed the rotating. We're not going to get that working, so we're just going to not bother with rotating. I'm sure I'll get it working at some point, but that's not a mission for today. So I'm guessing the audio output for both of them is maybe not set to the headset, which is fine. I'm assuming you could all hear that, and it was absolutely deafening, so that's okay. All right, basic sound effect in. I've got an arm punch. I'm not going to bother with that right now. We've got a bite and a meow. I'm going to add those because that's fun. I should make some of these scenes. Anyway, let's add like a regular node, or node 3D actually. Yeah, and then we'll call it audio, and we'll add nodes in here. Audio stream player 3D. Yeah, I want to say stream player 3D. I'm gonna go non-positionally actually. I feel like that will do better. So this will be the munch sound, and we'll duplicate you, and we'll call you the meow sound. So we got a bite, the munch. That's the wrong one. I need the bite edited, which is much shorter. Okay, and then I'm sure I can play it. It sounds something like a bite. And yeah, not playing, not autoplay, stream pause, not important. Yeah, that's fine. Buster's master, that's okay. And the meow sound, which is this meow. I tried to get to record Ruble, but he only meows when he's distressed, and I didn't want to distress him in order to get the sound. Weird that I can't play it. I guess you can't play MP3s. That's weird. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, and so neither of these are all fine. And then it should be a matter of in guard one of these. I guess wherever they're necessary. I guess player movement to start with. So let's go to the player movement script. Oh, it's such a mess. I'm so sorry for how much of a mess this is. All right. Into the script. Let's make you big. It's fine where the attack thing is. I guess yeah, we should do a private audio stream player. Is that what it's called? Oh, I guess he's oh, so sorry. Okay. So no, glad you can hear it on your end. Audio stream. Oh, it's just audio stream. I see. Player. There we go. I was right. And we'll call you meow sound. And how I missed the duplicate shortcut. Munch sound. Okay, and how did I name those in Godot? I named them with capitals. Perfect. So at ready, we'll literally just do meow sound equals player dot get node audio player stream audio stream player. Sorry, we gotta go faster. And it would literally just be audio slash meow sound, and then we'll just do the same, but we'll replace it with munch. Okay, munch sound, munch sound. And then we literally just need to find where we're doing the attack, which I think is here. Oh boy. Oh, it's in the... Is it really in the... Oh, that's silly. We don't need to do it in the... It's in the like camera follow or some nonsense, isn't it? Where are you? Oh wait, no, it's in player combat actually. I'm pretty sure. Player combat. There you are. There you are. Okay. Yeah, let's just do this, I guess. In input, that seems fine. Put in the player movement. Sometimes you make mistakes. I don't have any returns around here, right? No. I guess I'll put it at the front just in case. But I guess I don't need the switch. It can just be an if. And you. Okay. mouse event pressed. If it's the left button, then launch sound. Dot play. Yep, just that. And we'll just do another one where it's if mouse event button index equals mouse button dot right. Meow sound will play. We won't be able to sync that up in mouse player. I mean, we could, but who has the time? But that's fine. It's fun. Meow, meow, meow. Okay. Yeah, and I guess we'll just quickly test to see if that works. And that might be all of the sound effects I want to add right now, which is good. Yeah, and that will be onto the main menu, separating those out. Oof. Come on. Come on. Colossus player. I mean, it sounds weird, but... Oh, that's so loud. That is so very, very loud. Okay. I hate the noise, but yeah, what are you going to do? Okay, well, I mean, we can just easily change those. You should definitely be... Ooh, minus 4-ish, probably. And you should definitely be like minus 10. It should just be like a little mu. Yeah. Okay. What if I can BPM loop? No. Cool. Okay. Well, that's the sound effects I wanted. Let's get to work on this main menu. So, main menu. The scene is here. This is what the main menu has been for ages. Let's go to the logos. Let's just like rearrange a lot of this. So your icon or your anchor even. Yeah. So we want you in anchor mode. I want you in center bottom. Yeah, there we go. And then you can be in middle center. Yep. Anchors. Where's just center? Oh, there. Okay, that's cool. And the difference is this one will be moved to the side. So we'll change these players cat. Mouse plus keyboard. Oh, I guess like that. Yeah, that's probably better. Okay. Oh man, now I kind of want to change. Oh, the text editing is not that good. And okay. Keyboard. Yeah, maybe an extra space. That could be fine. You know what? I'm actually going to try and center it. There we go. Yeah, and then I can't remember. Can I do like a eye? Really? You're not going to let me do basic? Ugh. Oh, I need to enable rich text. Oh, and this isn't even rich text. Whatever. Never mind. This is really silly. The worst way to format your stuff. Don't do this. That's fine. Cool. So we actually need to move you. Here. Oh yeah, right. I need to change the word so you're not Colossus anymore. We're just gonna call it monster. All right, no, you're the second one. Okay, that works. And then instead of mouse and keyboard, you will be VR controller. Okay. Works for me. We'll rename you to VR. So I think the signals have copied over. That's fine. Yeah, it could have a background maybe, but I'm not too fussed. I'm not really feeling it, but I guess something cool. A new canvas item material. Resource. Oh, well, that doesn't. Okay. Shader material. Okay, and then I have to give it what, some kind of shader. This. No, I'm not doing this. Nonsense. I think there's no canvas item like mix. No, I guess it must be. Okay. No worries. And then where's my logos? Here we go. And this is the one that I want. Ooh, it looks so nice. Just need to make it a bit smaller. Okay. Oh. What? Okay, well then, okay, can you just move? Okay, Jesus. Is it one of those ones where I only work on like the, okay, fine. Tooth and claw, nice. I guess we should have more of a white. Yeah, because I mean I could change some of this. Visibility, show by parent, children, important. Animation, offset. That's important. Transform though. Oh right, oh I see. That'll be fine. That'll be okay for my purposes for now. And maybe we'll switch it up later. Okay, so now the main menu handler. This one. We need to look at the node. So on server button pressed. And you're also on server button pressed. So you're actually going to have a different one. I'm going to disconnect you. On pressed, you're going to go main menu and on server button VR pressed. Perfect. And we're going to do that. This. And then I'm going to have a static var is VR enabled equal false, I guess. Okay, so if the server button is pressed, then is VR enabled. Ooh, you know what? I'm going to capitalize that. It's a small thing, but it's worth it. It's false. Just realized don't need semicolons. Equals false, and then if it's here, if VR enabled equals true. Nice. Cool. And then should be able to, in the server polling, yeah, I'll be able to change the scene that we've got. So, yeah, that's gonna be a whole thing. But that'll basically allow us to choose the different controls. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So now we have to refactor. So we're 20 minutes in. That's great. Yeah, no, some text behavior stuff it might have it, but it's not super necessary right now. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this refactor. I'm gonna give myself a certain amount of time for it. So I'm actually gonna do something crazy. So I have been uploading the results of this to GitHub basically every few days. And today I'm gonna do it again, but I'm actually gonna literally like I'm literally just gonna save it and commit it to GitHub, so that if I need to revert in, let's say, an hour and a half, then I will revert. That is what will happen. Which is, that's scary, but necessary, I think. Just delete all this. Copy. Oh, am I? On second thoughts, this might take a while to upload. I didn't realize there was quite so much. We'll see. Yeah, most of this is the add-on stuff. Okay. Okay, 108. And we're gonna call this final day pre-refactor. And so this will be on my, if you go to my GitHub page, which is public and you can see it, you'll see this commit. Hopefully it won't be too extensive. But basically we're just gonna revert back to this state that we're in right now if I can't get this refactor in. Which will suck, but I have hope. I have hope that we're going to do this. I don't know what pushing to Origin and like uploading all of this is going to do while I'm streaming at the same time. If the stream health goes down, please say something in the comments. I think it should be fine. I think it shouldn't use up too much. It should share the bandwidth pretty well. But yeah, time for this refactor. So first thing I want to do is in the IK something, lim IK target, right? Interesting that we are a node 3D. We need to change that, I think. I think I made it. Okay. That could be okay if I change that, but I'm not going to do that just yet. So we want to export more than this now. We want to export a public float, which is distance restraint, which equals which starts off as -1f. And export a public node 3D, which is distance restraint node. And that will equal, well, that won't equal anything. And then we're going to do an export of yeah, sort of an axis thing. What's the easiest way of representing it? Like the axis, I guess, like a vector. Oof, don't love that. Yeah, let's just do a series of balls. Public ball. Static. No, freeze. Freeze X. Yeah. Let's copy all this. Oh. Freeze Y and freeze Z. Cool. And those will be local, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. So cool. Let's think about what we're doing. Is that gonna be in the VR controller when we update it? No, that's gonna be in the oh my word. Is it big control focuses on that? Process, move limb node, right. Wait, no. Initiate boost. What's not what we want? No, neither of those are what we want. We want Colossus movement. There we go. So now when we update the moving node, we've got the dummy node, but we should have the moving node somewhere. Here we go, moving node. So interesting that we can't do more than one moving node at the same time. That's just gonna have to be a feature for another day, I think. So we're gonna do things to this global position before we figure this out. So we've got the global position, vector 3, final position. equals global position. So if moving node dot wait. Oh, well, we can do this as player lim IK target now. That should be fine, right? Equals null, right? But then cool. So moving node dot restraint distance restraint is more than 0, and moving node dot distance restraint node does not equal null. Then we basically want to like actually restrain it. So easiest way to do this is then be like if the moving node dot distance restraint node dot distance global position dot distance to distance squared would be slightly more efficient, but I don't think that matters at this moment. Distance to final position is more than the moving node dot distance restraint. Then we basically want to make a version of it. So we literally just do vector 3. 3 offset equals final position minus this, and then final position equals the offset. Well, we're going to do the that plus, right, we're going to have to do u dot normalized. Okay, and then plus the offset times the actual restraint. Okay, and then that will equal the final position. So that's one restraint sorted. The other restraint is we need to keep it within certain x's and y's. So should be fairly simple. We literally just need to freeze it. Is that as simple as, I think it's as simple as if moving node dot freeze y or freeze x, I guess. Then final position dot x equals dummy node dot global position dot x. Yeah, and then if all of that works, and then we just keep it to y, should be fine. I'm not 100% sure. It'll look a little weird, but it won't be awful, which is good. So let's do that. Y. Z. Ooh. Z. All right, and then these need to be Y. Z. Okay, and then the restraint will also work on top of that. I think that will work quite nicely. Obviously we need some setting up, and we also need to convert some things. So we actually go back to lim target. First of all, let's just have a look at what happens when we do this. Let's build it. Ooh, that's the first time we have failed to build. Another, hello, left leg node. Huh. And right leg node. Left arm detector. I gotta look in game. What is the limb target? This is main. But this also has it, right? Yeah, okay, cool. Oof. Okay. And then, oh, right. And then these definitely have it, right? Yeah. But they're all no 3Ds and they have what areas inside them? Wait. This is the big player. All right, it's just the right arms that have what the okay. Oof. Not amazing, but fine. That works. Do limb IK target there. That's fine. That works there. That works there. Here it's a little harder, but we also kind of don't want to do that anymore. So maybe instead of this, we'll just go straight into it. We'll do if collider.getParent is limb IK target limb. That seems fine. Yeah, that's scary. But I'm seeing a lot of get parents, global positions, and left clicks. Everything seems fine. Obviously, the only problem is how you like hide them all when they stop being highlighted. Let's do a thing. Let's do a little process thing. Let's just do a public bool should show equals false. Alright, every process, if should show, then show. Else hide. And this is like not great code, but it will work. And then we'll erase I guess we should, yeah. We'll just make that work for now. Okay, so if the collider equals that, then we just want this. Oh man. Okay, that's fine. We just do get child. Get child 0. Really, the showing is not important enough for me to waste that much time. But I think this is then the rest of the important stuff. If it is a limb target, then the limb dot should show equals true, and hopefully that'll just show on the next click. This is what, every frame? It could be a bit messy. I don't know how well these sync up. We'll see if it flickers. Limb should show if left click down. Perfect. Then movement start moving node. We literally just want to do limb, and the movement distance is limb dot global position. And then this covers all of this behavior now. I'm pretty certain. So we're going to delete it. This is risky. You may have noticed I just deleted the floor stuff as well. That's because we're going to actually move it to the same system, but we're going to use these restraints so they slide along the floor, which I don't know if that's going to work, but we're going to see, and it will be interesting. And I don't really have anything else to add there. Yeah, start moving load from to distance should be fine. I guess if left click, right click down, we should cancel it. Oh, you know what? That's somewhere else, isn't it? No, never mind. No. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna need to go into VR controller and also do this. So let's do it. Lim IK target. No, VR controller. I assume you also have a bunch of stuff, a bunch of errors that you're not happy with. Okay, if we're not moving a node, here we go. Cool. Ooh. Okay. So we hopefully won't need you. We'll make a thing. So yeah, if we've got something in here, then we'll do the same stuff as this. I guess this. Right. We're not gonna move this anymore. Okay. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, so why did I just draw that? Here, right? Alright, and then this is gonna be if left trigger down, left trigger. Right, yeah. Oh wait, no, sorry, if right trigger. Get parent, start moving the limb, but then we need the offset. Okay. This should just work now. It means I can get rid of this. I can get rid of this. Again, it's gonna require some setup, but it should be fine. Yeah. Might update. Oh, I see. Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah. Cool. That works. So you're not used, which is good. And then I guess you also don't need any of this stuff. I think we'll just copy what we had from here. Very curious to see if any of this works. Left hand local and left trigger. Okay. I'm happy with this. Yeah, I'm genuinely happy. Okay, so we need to convert those other ones into the thing. That will be fine. The question is, do we convert it using whatever's? Yeah, I'm not going to automatic setup. I don't have time. And it's fine because I only need to only set up on one side. I was thinking about auto-genning the areas around them, but I don't think that is necessary. If we just look at the arms, they're right here. And they look fine. You're a mesh instance. You're big, aren't you? You should also start whatever. Yeah, hidden. Can I copy this reference? Oh, there you go, copy. And then paste it here. And paste this one here. Okay. Yes. Then we need to add these detectors. Yeah. Oof. Okay. And I guess we'll make it the same stuff as this. I guess we'll call them leg, but hopefully their actual names don't matter anymore. Left leg. Baba. Okay, and they're big. They do the thing. All right, yes. So now we still need to build this. Oh boy. there could be trouble when we try to build this. It might be okay. I do need to, yeah, get rid of these arm detectors and see what errors come up. I think nothing. Doesn't seem like anything. That's good. And then same thing with the camera follow. Doesn't appear to be doing much. So yeah, let's get rid of these exports. I guess the floor as well now. We don't need the... Oh wait, we do need the floor. We don't need the floor in new though. We knew... Okay. Ah! We do need the floor. We don't have anything else in... Okay, I'll keep the floor. Keep the floor for now. Figure out later. Okay. Seems all good. Really should just get rid of this function, but can't be asked. Let's try building it again. If this actually like works right out the bat, I will be very impressed. I thought this would take me a little longer. I thought it would go considerably longer, but hey, okay, it's built. Perfect. So let's just start with simple restrictions. So right leg, we want to freeze its Y, and left leg, we want to freeze its Y. Don't want to do anything else to them for now. Oh boy. I really, yeah. Oh, the final position. Don't we, no, wait, when we release it, it doesn't matter, does it? It just takes the down position. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if this will work, but we won't know until we try. I feel like I'm missing something, but I really have no clue. You know, the main menu looks a bit better. Doesn't really matter which way we do it, but... Oh, right. I also need the... Players account. Oh. Oh, I bet you I need to do that. Cool. Okay, this is still working. So it's not showing it. That's a great sign. Yeah. Oh, something just happened. Oh. Well, why weren't you working before then? Oh. I might need to reduce the number of particles here because clearly something doesn't enjoy that. But so it's just the left hand that doesn't work. But hey, look at that. It's only going on the ground. So now I just need to make sure there's a distance, but you're still fine. You just work as normal. I should probably also check. Boom. Looks cool as hell. Yeah, definitely getting some lag. Weird. Yeah, reduce the number of particles for sure. I will get you one day, you cat. Come out. Come out. I want to get small. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, happy with how that works. Oh, other than the fact that the right trigger doesn't work, but we'll figure out why it doesn't work in a second. So strange. Oh, we are getting a large amount of errors. Well, that might clue us in into why it doesn't work. Debugger errors. Oh my word. Let's pause it. That might even be the reason for the thing. Yeah, we're going well. This is great though. This is way further than I thought I might be at this point. We're doing well. Thanks for joining us, Thomas. Okay. Null reference exception. What is the null? There's no... Huh? Okay. You've got to try. At 0. Oh no. Okay. And... child count? Get child count. Let's see, that's that. Is more than 0. There we go. Oh. Else if... Oh, okay. Hang on. I need a wider if. What's that? All of the... Okay, there must be a logic problem then. But yeah, on the player side, it isn't having children, so that's why we were getting an error, because it was trying to get to the thing. That's the thing. That's bad. Yeah, let's do that. Cool. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to demo zone and reduce 3D. Go to the particles. Let's reduce the number of the amount. 400 should do nicely. Boom. Ooh, this is lagging. Weird. That's because of all of the. Yeah, we should probably clear this. I just need to make sure there's nothing else. Native calls out of bound. Yeah. Okay, this is the same thing. Oh, I need to. Yeah, and clear. There we go. Okay. Let's go 350 actually. Still looks good, right? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Honestly, 350 could be even overkill. Let's say 200. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't need it to be super flashy. I wish these ones in the center would move out more, but that's how it is. Okay. So we've got that. That's good. You're looking nice. We're not doing a first shader in case you're wondering. It's just not happening. I wish I could have, but that's how it goes sometimes. With the big player, I'm thinking. Right, we need to look into why the right in the VR controller, why the right input wasn't working, and then we'll look at the other restrictions. So must have been something here. Here we go. Oh, what? Damn it. Okay. That's fine then. That's okay. Do I have any other problems here? Result 2, this collider set is local. The limbs local, right trigger. Okay, that probably caused it to work. So thumbs up from everyone. Let's try out the restraint. So funny little restraint, really. I basically want to have a max distance. For here, I want it to be the shoulders. So let's kind of just set it, right? Let's start with maybe the right arm. Let's figure out how far this is from here, like a general distance, I guess. So let's look at your transform. Can I look at global? Oh, can I look at global here? You're not going to work, are you? What's the little setting that makes it go global? That would be nice. Okay, well, then we're going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. I would like to create an empty, just add a 3D node. Node 3D. Let's move you about. Let's get to it closer. So I think the joint is like here-ish. Let's just do it from here. Let's get like a very loose whatever. So transform, this is global space. The Y is -32, and then if we go to the shoulder joint, or I go to the end basically here, it is -12. So that's basically 20. So that's nice. I guess we should probably do it from the center of here, maybe a bit further because it's up. Yeah, I don't really see anything wrong with that. So that's actually minus. Bad if it's 8. Yeah, no, -8. So, oh, nuts. Was it 32 here? Yeah. Oh, wait, 32 here, sorry. So 32 to -8. Just flip the minuses. 4, 20, 24. So then we want to go to our left arm, and this is the left. Yeah, left arm. We want to assign it to Colossus left shoulder, and we want to give it a distance restraint of 24, and we're going to see how that works. Probably should test it on the legs, but oh well. Assign to right shoulder this time. And again, 24. Really have no clue if it'll work, but be very curious to see if it does. And yes. You. Oh, well, we're not. Yeah, sorry. Left leg. See, now this one we actually want to assign it to the right leg, which is fun. And we kind of want the max distance they can be away from each other, which theoretically can change around a bit. I think. I don't know. I think we'll do. Oh, it's hard to say. Oh, horrible. I guess let's get the MT out again. This bad boy. I think it's like it's probably from like. Okay. Like here-ish. Oh, I can look at the translating and see in the bottom left corner. So that's 34. Let's say 34. So right leg. Oh, did we do left leg first? We did. Let's say 34 and see if that makes an impression. And then you can be the other one. You can do left leg at also 34. Yeah, I have no clue if this will work well. That was just the straight distance though. I didn't think about well, let's try keep it low for now. But this should hopefully add an extra layer of gameplay as well, because then you actually, like, in order to walk, you can't just like jump somewhere. Okay, let's do it. If this works, this is great. This is like, I thought this was going to take me hours, and it took me about 40 minutes, if that. So let's do it. Let's do it. Place monster, place cat. Ooh, is that an error? No, I think that's just some weird thing. I'm getting a not responding actually. Hello? Okay, you're working. Okay, these work now. Happy about that. Oh, look at that. It's like a perfect circle around the foot. So what happens if I go as far as it goes? That seems a bit far actually. Yeah, you're definitely going to move, aren't you? Oh, only just. Oh, it's kind of perfect. Oh, I'm tempted to keep that. Oh, cool, you can do a little stomp. How about you? I feel like that's actually... Oh, that's pretty far actually. I might just keep it the way it is. Whee! Oh, so fun. You know what? I feel like I kind of almost nailed it. I think these just need to be done by like maybe 2 units. It's so close. Oh, it's like, yeah, I mean, they are floating, definitely. Yeah, maybe 4 units. Because I don't really want you to be able to do the splits. It kind of seems silly anyway. Okay. Okay, 4 units. And then maybe we'll add crouching. I feel like there's not a great way of doing that right now. Don't have any massive errors though. Yeah, the XLR stuff. That's fine. Whew, I am like so happy with how this has turned out. This has been a great amount of progress. Yeah, 30. Oh. Yeah, and 30. I mean, that's more than I was expecting. Yeah, so we could attach something to the root. Which would be interesting. Where is the root? It's here. So it needs to be quite big in terms of area. But it could work. I need to set the IK follow thing to basically, yeah, so it would just like, yeah. Yeah, the other problem is obviously like, yeah, I can move up and down, but I was just moving around, that's gonna get weird. Where's torso? Torso's like that. I mean, I can technically change it to any area. That could be kind of cool. I don't know. I kind of like the controls we have so far, but I feel like they don't show off the movement of it so well. But also, yeah, I have no idea how this whole thing is going to get affected. Ugh. If all of a sudden you can go up and down by like a massive amount. Yeah. And also, yeah, once you can move the torso, you can move the entire thing. So it'd have to have a base distance from the Colossus, which is probably fine. Ooh, I'm gonna go with. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna try, and maybe it won't work great. But making my game just a little bit better. I still have an hour and a half to go. I think it's worth it. So let's go into our script, and we're basically gonna just do like, oh, if there's a chain length of 0, then match the whatever. I don't know if it will automatically do that, but I'm gonna make sure I'm certain before I mess up. I'm also gonna save everything. Well, I'm not gonna repo again. Although, yeah, I'm like, now that was like wasted time. IK solver, here we go. So target equals null, fine. From 0 to chain length. So chain length is 0, this is whatever. Adds the current node, adds the position. Iterations. This is again, position is end position. Position is start position. Reverse. Applies. This might actually work if the oh, the poll target. One day I'll figure that out. That's so funny actually. If you can't normalize 0. I'm thinking. No, it doesn't set the final transform. If the chain length is 0, that's annoying. I wonder if if I can just literally just do an if chain length equals 0. I literally just go nodes 0 dot global transform or dot global position equals positions. Oh, positions 0. I have no clue if this will work, but we will try. I cannot believe this. I'm gonna add a child node. It's gonna be a node 3D. Actually, it's gonna be a limb. Oh, I can't do that. Node 3D. I just want it in the right place. And I can call it chest target. I guess oh no, it won't load in, will it? So target parent. Oh, come on. You have to ruin my fun. Oh no, it's in the same place. Perfect. So let's give it the same stuff, but let's change it up, I guess. Do you. Then we want to mess with you. We want to add quick load limb. We'll want to give it a different limb, but that's okay. The mesh this time around. Let's clear you. Want a new box mesh. We'll make the X and Y 2, but the Z is going to be quite big. Oh, it's got the same material, perfect. Yeah, I kind of like the sort of rotating up and down. Maybe a little bit in though, just a tad, like that. And yeah, let's have a nice even 12. Hide you. You're an area. You are a box shape. You are 2, 2, and 12. Same dimensions. That'll work. Then we go back to the chest. We give it our favorite script, the IK solver, and we give it a chain length of 0. And iterations 1 is probably fine. And the target is just target. Right, this won't move on the other side, will it? That's okay. I can figure out what to do, probably. We also need to give it a different thing. Maybe we don't. No, I need to give it. I need to change the theme. Then okay, target. Hello. And we'll just be like, oh, chest equals 16. We'll build you. Okay, and where's the targets? Parent. Chest. Oh, and then freeze X and Z. So we just want to move it up and down. This could go absolutely terribly. But I guess we'll just test it. A little bit scared, really. I guess we should replicate on both sides and see if we have any errors when we do something like that. You go there, you do the thing. You don't need any of this nonsense. Just need to exist. And the Colossus needs to have its thing. Oh, wait, not new script. Sorry. Okay, solver. Chain length is 0. Assign the target. Just target. I'm very excited to see this works. Okay. Let's do a little play. Theoretically, nothing will change to start off with. Right, when I move, when the nuts. Maybe they will move. No, they won't. I need to move. There's a thing I can do. That's the thing I can do. Right now, it might not matter. So let's just see if the base works. Gonna work for me? Perfect. Okay, so that didn't. Nothing broke down from that. Okay. Right, the dummy, yeah, not ideal, but okay. Did I get my Y's and Z's up? Mixed up? No. Y is up. It doesn't change anything. That's a little weird. Why doesn't it change anything? Okay. That's confusing. Won't lie. Oh, right. Of course, it isn't changing anything because the OK solver is not working correctly. That's okay. I guess I should have checked. I should have just made it easier. The fact that I needed to do anything at all was ridiculous. Just at the beginning of it. Turn you off. No. Cool. If chain length equals 0, then this dot global position equals this dot global position equals target dot global position. Return. I'm not sure why I moved. Oh, that's gonna create a headache. The offset should have been the same. Shouldn't have been a problem. Maybe I snap it the wrong way. Didn't think so. We'll figure it out. Oh, I want to reverse this now. If I go down this rabbit hole. No, we got a little bit of time. Let's use the little bit of time we have. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, if chain length equals 0, then just do that. That's fine by me. VR controller, camera follower. We need to move. Closest movement. I think it's actually the big controller. We need to change something. We need to do. When we release this. Hello. Okay, yeah, we go to the big controller, and then we want to move it. Not initiate boost. Just move them node. Here we go. Leg height equals leg height. Oh. Okay. Did I not export that in this? No, that's not a thing. That's not helpful, is it? Okay, I think this is from, yeah. That's the problem. Okay. Yeah, there we go. If node to move dot is leg, then the movement dot leg height equals leg height. Nice. Okay, happy with that. Speed's fine. Oh, okay. No, that'll stop that thing. Whoa. Okay. It's damage zone. Yes. All happy with that. Yeah, I really don't know why any of that is doing the thing it does. Definitely should be. Oh, right. I need to also. Is it in the big controller? I think it is. It's during the. Here we go. You. Right. We need to do a chest something. Here we go. Export chest T. And we'll just set it on both, but we literally just need to do the conversion here when we rotate. Maybe that was the problem that we were having. Vector 3 local chest T equals that. Oh, Colossus dot to local chest dot position. Nice. And then chest t.global position equals Colossus dot to global local chest. Okay, let's have a look and see if that works. Feeling confident. Feeling confident. We're coming up to the halfway point of today's episode. Lots of things to do, but if I get this movement working, I will be happy to work on the music and such. Okay, that is a different position than it was almost always in, which is weird, but okay. Okay, so you shouldn't be doing that. Here's what I don't understand. No, see, and now... Oh, that's weird. Oh, I guess I went with the chest, huh? Oh, man, the legs aren't attached to the chest. I still don't understand why it's forward. I go like here, does it... No, it still stays in this one place. Weird. This is gonna be, yeah, and then I just, what? The roots no longer matching. Oh, and that's because, yep, that's because I didn't set the chest on either one of them. Okay, well, so there's a myriad of problems. Oh, Lord, is there a myriad of problems? The torso, why can't I should have known. The torso is what I needed. Okay, okay. This is still somehow maybe salvageable. They only moved to the Colossus. I didn't realize that. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Okay. I think I kind of want to call it quits on this feature. I think I'm going to call it quits on this feature. It's been fun, but I think an adjustable position is just a bit too much right now. So we're going to delete it. We're going to delete the work. Sometime in the future, for sure. But today, not happening. That's okay. These are sacrifices we need to make. We need to get focused on finishing the rest of the game. There's an node I want to export. There we go. This one. Okay, I think that's okay. I don't have anything else that I want to worry about right now. Those two things with a big factor. I guess we'll test it in a bit to make sure it works. But first we need to actually, we need to separate out the things. So, I mean, the fastest way to do that is to basically, because I've got the, this camera parent here that I basically disabled. And realistically, it's like if this exists or not. What would be best if we just had two complete different scenes, but that does kind of suck. I guess we could maybe move everything into another scene, and it might just work. Oh no, but then we'll be main big controller. Okay, but that's not too bad. Let's add a child, and we'll keep things like monster scene. Oh, we'll call it a node, and we'll call it monster scene. I'm realizing actually, change type to node 3D. Okay. Let's do you, and let's get all of it in. This, move in there. Okay. Okay. So this, I'm pretty sure I can turn into a scene, right? Make scene, save branches scene. There we go. We'll put it in scenes. Pull the master scene. That's fine. So now you're a scene. Great. If I open you up, it's all this stuff. Very cool. Oh, it doesn't have the environment. Does it need the environment? Does that change stuff? I think it doesn't. So I'm not going to put it in. So this is going to be a big player. Yeah. And basically we're going to want to duplicate the scene. So where are you? Big player. You. Control C, Control V. That's not what I wanted. Duplicate. There you are. And we'll call it big player VR. And in this version, we will remove the XR stuff and the start XR button. And in you, we remove the camera parent. Oh boy, this could have broken a lot of stuff. I feel weirdly relaxed about it. So we'll see. Okay. And then literally in that script I was writing the other day, in the I wonder if this is actually something. Is any of the static func initialize? Is editor handle auto initialize? Ooh. What does auto initialize mean? Oh, of course you wouldn't give me the actual information about that. Oh, enable pass-through render target size multiplier. Hello. You know what? Not important. Not important. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Papa. Okay. Star XR origin in the VR. This is not what we want. We want in server polling. That was it. And we know that in the main menu handler, there's a thing, and we basically just want to go if main menu handler dot. Can I not access statics? Really? No, that's crazy, right? Main menu handler. Okay. Is VR enabled? Okay, and then not declared in current scope. Very cool. Big fan. What? Like var. Ah, my god. Okay. Okay, and then what was the thing that allowed me to get the static stuff? Oh, okay. Resource loader. Load resource. Oh, resource loader. Resource loader. Dot load. Main menu handler. Okay. VR else. Not VR. Not the most organized way of doing this, but it might just work. God, I hope it works. So in the main menu scene, 2D, there's no XR thing here. So, big player VR and big player. less. But it will still come up with like an annoying thing. So what happens if I don't auto-initialize? Actually very curious. Let's build all this, I guess. Imagine all of this is broken. That's very possible. Would not have been the first time. Okay. I'm thinking that this won't work when I plug in my headset. Oh, we're also getting a myriad of errors. What are the errors? Season 2, big controller process. What? CPOS? Colossus? Come again? The monster scene, it needs edible children. Oh no. That should be fine. Right? Well, what's well, how did the what are we looking for? We're looking for big controller. Okay. Okay, so you forgot where all your things are. That's okay. Left leg. T. Right leg. Okay. Maybe we don't need some of these anymore, but we'll keep them. Left arm. And right arm. No, that's cool. For you, I assume, also have forgotten. Right, because there's no, yeah, I must have seen these edible children. Okay. All okay. All okay. All okay. We knew it was gonna happen. We knew it would be a struggle. We knew there would be problems. But we made it through, and we've still got over an hour left. Oh. So, okay. And you already have a script, right? I guess we should do this. You should have a script. Yeah. And then big controller. Oh no. How do I call functions from Godot? Oh my word. Let's worry about it now. We're gonna worry about it now. We're gonna have to worry about it now. Let's wait, can I just add a connection? Like node ready? Wait, can I actually just move ready? Okay. When this is ready into the start.xr script on big controller ready, supposedly it's just made a thing. Okay. Shall we initialize? Does that seem like it works? Let's try it. Is it underscore initialize? What do you mean? It's right there. Maybe it's not base. Oh, don't tell me it's with a Z. Boo. Boo. Okay. Okay, this is weird, but I mean, it's a weird way of doing it. I think it might just work, which is kind of exciting. Okay. Let's try. You're a you. You're a you. Play as you. I think it's just going to work, maybe. Hello? Hello? Oh. Okay. So some things are broken. Still getting lots of errors. We're going to have to look into those. I broke my entire scene, basically. But this is not unsalvageable. Ah, yeah, no, they need things. And I guess they're what, inside the monster scene? Yeah, no, that makes sense. At least, please tell me at least like the, well, you don't even have a target, so I should really clear you. But you're, no, what? In what universe? Oh my god. I have to redo all these scripts. Jesus. Wait. Okay, you work though. No, wait, you don't! Okay, let's go in the monster scene. We're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it as quickly as humanly possible. Right, yeah. We've got all this stuff. Let's just do the things. So, hand. Your target is the hand. Right target, left. Wait, what? None of these are the things we want. No, it's just arm, right? Yeah. Left arm. Don't have a pole target. Not important. Okay, that's left arm, right arm, hand. Right arm. Okay, scripts. You're a force handler, not important. You're a right leg. Right leg. Really wish there was a better way I set this up. That's fine. The fact that I break it, what, an hour before the end? That feels just about right to me personally. What's the comments like? Oh my word. I have not been reading the comments, I'm so sorry. AI game jam videos, our games, latest AI and Patrick, what I missed. Cool. Anyway, yeah. So when I messed around with the scenes and I made my own scene, all of the targeting got redone, which sucks. And that's also wrong. It's left leg, please. But at least it actually physically can't happen again, which is good. You, right. So right leg needs to be to left leg. Left leg needs to be to right leg. What are your deals? That's not important, right? You'll just show. I don't think there's a big thing about this. I think it was just the, yeah, annoying thing. Maybe. Oof. We'll see. Right arm. Your thing was the right shoulder. And left arm was the left shoulder. And I don't need the pole, so don't even bother with it. Okay, so those should all work. Now, Colossus something. No. In Big Player VR, we want to go to the VR controller, and we want to, assign the floor as floor. This as left leg. It's probably not important actually anymore, but We'll keep it just in case. Right leg. Okay, that's all fine. And the big controller still all set. Those instantiates all good. On the signal setup. Okay. Okay. I think crisis is over. We will change it. We will check it. We also need to make sure in big player that the camera follow. Yes. Well, that's not. Oh yeah, this needs to be the Colossus. Floor needs to be floor. Left leg node. Left leg T, I assume. Not that really matters anymore, but yeah. Right leg T. I think it was a bit close, wasn't it always? So let's do 70, maybe 80. Okay. Okay. This is so weird. Let's run the project. Let's make sure it works in VR again. Okay. And then we will get to adding animations, which should be fun. I'm playing as mouse keyboard, but actually let's see if we get any errors for when we do this. Connecting. The cat works. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, that sounds so cool. But it's not replicating on this side. Why is it not replicating? No. This needs to be a monster scene. Oh, and if we move into there, that's going to break all the connections. Maybe. Oh. It might not. It really might not. Oh, it's so hard to say. I'm surprised. Oh, there are the errors. Yeah, move limb node. Oh, it's not enjoying that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try moving them into a node, and hopefully the references stay the same. It's really just the Colossus and the targets, I think. Nothing else should need to moving. So I mean, reparent to new node, and it's just a node 3D, and it's called monster node or monster scene in lowercase. Did that break the big controller? It did not. And is it called monster scene? It's not. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm glad that the PC controls work pretty well. That's always a plus. I'm glad that they've sort of stayed working. And it seems like they work without the XR, so last thing we'll check is if I unplug my headset and break OpenXR, do we get the little thing that we had before? Okay, now it works on both. Oh, so loud. Oh, we don't have the boost anymore. I must be initiating the boost wrong. Errors. Okay, that's fine. How is the camera follow? I assume it's in the camera follow. How are you initiating the boost? Are you just not? Wheel up, mass event. I thought jump pressed was a thing. Maybe I got rid of it because of reasons. That's kind of weird. Maybe it was never. No, it was definitely in the camera follow. Maybe it was in big controller. In here. Can't remember. It's weird. Okay. Well, I mean, we should just need a poll, right? Doesn't really matter where the input comes from. Just need a... There's no other input things here, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then it's just press space and it'll do it. Okay, cool. What's the easiest way of getting player movement, I guess? Input, here we go. Jump. Let's get rid of you. You rename you to jump. What's your deal? Why are you doing that? Oh, already has one? Oh, silly me. Okay, jump. Initiate boost. Oh, if server is initiate boost. Okay, cool. I'll solve that problem. Yeah, okay. I'm very happy with a lot of that. We should probably get to work on the animations. I guess we... Oh, wait. One last test is to unplug my headphones. Ooh. Okay, not headphones, sorry, headset. And then see if the game has a big error if we start the game. I think it shouldn't unless we do the VR thing. So we'll see if there's... Man. Why was OpenXR requested? At what point did I request this? Is it just going to do it? Like... There's nothing in the main menu that does it. Main menu handler. Like, these buttons are fine. Maybe something in the main menu. Like, yeah, no. It must be a static something to do with the XR stuff. Add-ons maybe? Good old XR tools. Oh, there's so many. Yeah, and see, that's a thing, but I don't even think there was anything static in this. No, nothing static. Plugin. You know what? It must be must be in the project, shouldn't it? If it's yeah, you'd have to create separate in the XR. There we go, OpenXR, yeah, enabled. We'll need to make two versions, one that's VR and one that isn't. Oh, what a pain. I guess it's not so much of a pain. I could just do the server polling. Yeah. Okay. I mean, we can live with that error for now, but I guess. Yeah. It's annoying. I think we'll live with it for now. Well, I mean, I'll separate them out into versions. Okay. Yeah, I guess just having it like this way doesn't really work, which is a shame. Okay, and then in the scripting, I need to make sure in the main menu handler this actually defaults to true, because we're going to basically go straight into server polling. Okay, animation. We've got 50 minutes left. And also 50 minutes until I turn 25. Yes, Patrick. You are very correct. Very hero's journey. Okay, animations. I can do animations. And then background music. And then, like, I'll release it as is, and I'll clean it up tomorrow or the next day, so that there'll be a VR version and a non-VR version, and that'll make everyone happy. Start XR. Okay. Going for this long does always like really start away. So we have a new animated cat model. So I basically want to go into main and yeah, this should all work now. It's the GUI. Cat parent player. We want to zoom in on the mesh. He's cute, but we're gonna replace him. Add a new mesh instant. Oh, no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna add. We're just gonna straight up move you in. See how much better he is. The transform isn't completely whack. So scale needs to be increased. Add its Y, it needs to be moved down. Otherwise, he's more or less the same cat. Move with the new material. We need to add all children. Here's an animation player. And he's got a bunch of different stuff. So what's your none of this stuff works, so is this the yes. Okay, copy. Copy and then move it onto the cache. And surfacer. I can't change it. I don't. Nothing to do with the key. I just. Oh my god. How do I get out of? Nope. Still thinks I'm in animation. Let's turn the animation player off. Press live. Unpin. Whatever. Let's see. It's not helping me. Let's go into the import. Advanced. I just want to mess around with the material. Materials. Here we go. Origami chat. Any new material, create new resource, material, physics material, not these, base material, stamp material, there we go. Cat material. And the remaining thing is just that you're gonna, and then I want to import you materials, use an external one, materials, material, import. Cool. And now within this, I'm pretty sure we can just, we'll just hide it for now. But we have animation. So we have an attack animation, which is fun. We have a walking animation, which is probably going to be our climbing animation. I made all these myself. They are not great, but they work for now. And we have a little gallop animation that is the worst one by far. Right, and they all need, so you loop. Right, okay. Do I need to go into something? You. Right. Attack doesn't have a loop. But you do have a loop. Linear. And you do have a loop. Linear. Sure. Very important. So, in Gallop, we need to change you. Because I'm pretty sure that you... Yeah, I added extra keyframes. Yeah. So something like, I wish it would go by keyframe. It's kind of annoying it doesn't. Is there a snap thing? Doesn't help me. And what are you? Animation length. But I can't drag you. Oh, cool. Get rid of the snap. Let's zoom in maybe. Okay, so you're like that. And we want you to match like that. Like there. 0.43. What happens if I just set you to 0? Yeah, it's good enough. 1.43. That means the animation length is 1.43. I can't. What do you mean I can't change it? I've been able to change it before. Oh my god. Okay, well let me go into the scene. Oh, here we go. Fine. New inherited. There you go. Jesus Christ. Wait. This is worse. Because then it just puts it in there. What? Why can't I do anything with the animation? This is not. This worked. I already tested this out and it worked. Oh my god. What is even the point if... Warning, edited, imported scene. Okay. What if there's meshes, materials... Right, when I re-import it, animation, import, trimming. What does this mean? Remove mutable tracks, not important. I want to import it, I want it to be 30 FPS. Okay, and then you now have, right, okay. So gallop. Cool, and now I can set that to 1.43. Okay, and then another you loop. Okay, there we go. There we go. And we need to do the same for walking. I assume. Wait. I'm not paying attention. Oh, wait. Oh, no, okay, that does actually... Well, it's that it, like, resumes to, like... Oh, you know what? No, that looks fine. Okay. Oh, that was annoying, but we got done. Saved the animations. I don't know how to get animations to play. I don't even know what an idle animation would look like. Right, animation player, current animation is just what? Stop? That's not right. Cat mesh action. Sure. Yeah. Which isn't available, but is a thing. So I guess we'll go for that. Animation mixer is active, deterministic. What does that mean? Blending. Ooh, I hate these. Okay. Well, library. Oh, there's so many. We don't want any root motion. Oh, I should have been learning just about yeah, about how to do animations in Godot at this point in the journey, but that's okay. We're going into it. Godot animation. Introduction to animation features. Blah 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 blah. Cool. Realizing keyframes. Don't care. Yeah, we got the simple animation. We've created it. It's already in using reset tracks. That did not help me. Let's do Godot how to call animation in code. Okay. Skeletons using animation tree, playing video screen. By the name of your node when you write. Okay. So what is this? Oh, I need to get rid of these. So we've got you, cat model animated, whatever, player. And I guess we've got a bunch of all put in player movement. So, right. It's an animation player, and I assume it's an animation player. That's fine. So, ooh, okay. In you and player movement. Or an animation player, we're going to get that right at the beginning. So, just call you anim. And then at ready, anim equals player dot get node animation player at. I can just copy your path. Copy no path. Cool, and then we don't need the player. We just do player mesh. Seems fine. So we have the anim. Okay. This only returns. The returns are not good. But also, they're set here, perhaps? Maybe they're not. Right, this is technically the last state. We can work with that. We could just work on a system here that just goes if state. Or we can do switch coming. Switch on state. Case state dot. Oh, right, player state dot. Let's start with airborne. Oh, we don't need the brackets, do we? And player state dot staggered. Let's have the same thing. B. And break here. Anim dot play. And a string name for name. Plays the animation with key name. Okay. Hopefully this just sort of works. Genuinely have no clue. Oh, right. Okay. All right. We can add a key value repair, right? Your resource. Local to the scene. Cool. Cool. We edit you to be a string. And edit you to be what? An animation? That's not a resource? Oh my god. Oh, it's die. Why does it just make it better than null? Well, maybe we can treat these as attack names. So yeah, one's attack. Okay. Walking. No, wait. Let's try that. Okay, and then case player state dot grounded. And case player state dot climbing. Okay, and so what here we'll do gallop. Here we'll do walking. Obviously I'll change them around, but let's see if the animations actually play. Let's just get into a game. Oh no, the errors are going to come out. Oops. Press the wrong thing. I guess it makes sense that like a game wouldn't let you like just sort of go into VR out of nowhere. Okay, well, it's in gallop, which is strange, but oh, but the walking works. That is indeed the walking animation. Oh, I guess I am. Oh, okay. It all works. It all works. Okay, that's sick. That's very cool. So we just need to, yeah, very slippery. Okay. So the galloping doesn't look amazing in motion, which is a bit sad. It could be a bit faster. I wonder if I could actually. Yeah, I can use the speed scale, can't I? So we don't have a max speed either. Oh my word! I'm just gonna hard code this. Don't love that, but that's gonna be anim.speedscale. And it's gonna equal player dot player dot linear velocity dot get length. Ooh. Length divided by 100. 100 might be much. 40, 20, 20. And same thing with. Oh right, we go quite slower here. So let's do 5 for you. And 20 for you. Right, we'll do a if player linear velocity. We'll capture the thing. Velo is more than 0.1. Then we play gallop and the speed scale is whatever. Oh. Else we want the we want the Catmish accent. Yeah, I mean, you know, not great animations. I'll be the first to admit that, but good enough is the key word. We're just past 2 hours. Half an hour to go until midnight. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like we can add some music. That'll feel real nice. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then maybe we'll figure out how to do that attacking. Oh, that would suck. I'll figure it out. Or we could just not do it. Oof. Not ideal. Well. Okay, so that needs to be way faster. How's the walking look? I'm assuming quite slow. Yes. Okay, so let's increase both of those by about 4. And that means by dividing them by less than 4. U and 1.2. Gotta get my maths right. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna handle attacking, or if I will. I kind of want to do it so that like you only attack. God. I don't know, it's hard to say. Okay, that looks better. It could be a bit faster, like maybe like 50%. Looks pretty good. How are you? Yeah, that's much better. That looks nice. Yeah, I'm happy with how that looks. Like it looks weird, but it's fun. Wee. Also, you go way too fast in this anyway. We need to reduce player movement. This is part of the rebalancing. Drag coefficients. Yeah, this needs to go way up. 7 in the air probably is also kind of insane. Let's like pick up to like 3, and then 65. Oof, 50 please. How does that work? I just realized you can't probably see the main menu. Oh, well, you've seen me design it, so. Okay, go a bit slower. Yeah, I'll definitely improve that, but honestly, a little bit less slippery, so that's much better. And I assume when I get up on here, it's not as hard to slip off. Let's do that. Yeah. Oh, and I wanna increase the yeah. Well, that's interesting. Yeah. Ooh, love that crunchy sound. Definitely needs to be a bit. Yeah, both of them need to be massively reduced there. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's actually. Where do we play this sound? Because I should probably make sure that climbing possible is achieved. Wait, where do I play that sound? Is it in combat? No. I definitely did it somewhere else. In the input? Stagger, is it at the top here? It is. Okay, cool. If climbing dot climb available. There you go. Now you don't. The monster won't just play anywhere. Cool. Let's reduce the volume of both of those as well because that was quite loud. Another -8, I reckon. So you -18. Happy with that. Okay. The gallop needs to be faster. Oh, it's such a mess for code. I wish I had time to just redo all this. Still happy with this. You, on the other hand, need to be lessened. Thinking 0.75. Wait, no, 1.25 is fine. This needs to be like 3. Honestly, it could stand to be twice as fast. Like, it's gonna look weird, and I should definitely increase this to be like 1. So we're just sliding along. We just slide along. But yeah. Yeah, I like this. This looks nice. Da. Yeah, I kind of wish I get the attack animation in somehow, but oh, that's much better. Oh my god, the meow's still so loud, but a little bit better. Okay. It's like minus 32 or something. I guess I could test it in there. Okay, wow. I kind of wasn't expecting to get this far. But yeah, we got animations, I guess, background music. Maybe improve the camera slightly. Yeah, that was the thing I thought of. Do we have some kind of up vector? No, that's not important. Cannot access a disposed object. Where are you trying to access that? Somewhere. It's not important. Like small errors, small little leaks here and there. Easy things to change in the future. Yeah, I mean, should we just get the... I mean, the balancing I'm quite happy with. I need to change the stamina in the player. Stamina regen. Okay. Ooh. No. What actually uses stamina? Is it in player climbing or something? Player climbing, player movement. Ah, climbing stamina cost. Okay, let's halve you. Which might give too much of a boost, but also I think the Colossus is pretty powerful, so this should give an edge. But also for like more unfamiliar players, it's a bit more forgiving, and it might let them climb to the top. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna fix the camera very slightly. Just camera follow. The one where we kind of want it to moving distance. Is that it? No, base camera distance. Here we go. And then float. This might be a private. Wait, I'm actually curious. Where are you used? This is code I wrote so long ago. Right, so base camera distance changes. Oh, that's interesting. Right. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this LURP silliness. I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. Because it doesn't need to be there. I mean, the smoothness doesn't matter. And I'm just trying to think of a way where it's smooth in one way, but not smooth in the other. And it's like already kind of a nightmare. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of this LURP. I see why it's there, but I don't want it to be there. I don't want it to be like that. Cool. That could be a big mistake. I could have just broken the whole thing, but I don't think so. Yeah, I know. I just want it so that it doesn't clip the floor as much as it does. And it, like, yeah, with the LURPing camera motion, it kind of always does, which sucks. Yeah, that feels much better. Like, there's a little bit of clipping, but all in all, like, I'm much happier with that. And like, yeah, like the jittering is like there a bit, but it's really not that big of a deal. Oh, this is so cool. I can just have this up here. I can just put this here. Weird that won't let me control. Oh, look at that. That was cool. Very cool. I don't know if you heard that. Okay, we have 20 minutes. I'm thinking I am thinking background music. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. This will be really silly. Let's start with the main menu. That's the easiest. We just need to add a audio stream player, I guess. Yeah, non-positionally. Don't care. And we'll stream in the main menu music. I convert into an MP3, and that should come forward quite nicely. Can I play it like that? Let's get to like maybe like that loud. I will give credit in the video for who this is from. This is all from Free Sounds. This particular track, I don't have time, but why not? Yes, it's from Migfus20. It's nice. Okay, and then yeah, autoplay. I'm curious if when the node is destroyed, the sound will stop playing. But I guess we'll find out. And yeah, I'll just call you BGM. And then let's put you in main. The hell? Okay, no, don't want that. Audio stream player. Call you BGM. And this is gonna be the banner music. Which is gonna be quite loud, so definitely already got temp down to like -20 or something. Could be stand to be a little bit quieter. Okay, I just realized I need to be able to loop. It's gonna have to be in the import, isn't it? Loop enable. I'm sure there is an offset. I don't really know how to. It's probably not important. Re-import. And in you need to loop. Re-import. Okay, cool. And then I'm just gonna. Alright, I'm actually gonna copy you. And in big player. Like what? Cool. And big player VR. Very cool. Let's get the VR working and let's do a little playtest. Let's see if we can break any part of this. Also, what is up with my carpet? Hello. Oh. Okay. 50 minutes left. That is basically everything in our game completed. I might just make the main menu look a little bit better. I think it's pretty much the last thing. MetaQuest, click to open, quick settings. Cool. Okay, my controllers, they're working fine. Loading Godot, don't need to load Godot. Just worry about me. Okay, let's launch. Hopefully it won't come up with the error anymore. Play as Monster VR controller, play as Monster Mouse keyboard. Alright, I need to I'm just realizing I can't hear anything. Can you guys hear stuff on the thing? Let me just It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, I think that it's just the speakers doesn't work with doing the outside speakers and the VR speakers at the same time. I'm also realizing they probably started at the same time, so it's probably they sound weird. I'm sure this will sound pretty sick. Woo! Very scary. I love how I can position it. Very cool. And I can do it here and then I can do it double. Oh, this is so cool. Of course, it completely breaks if I do that. Okay, I actually did kind of figure it out, which is impressive, but yeah. Die! I can see it move on my screen, and I assume I went flying on the other screen. Oh, and I guess we should show a battle actually ending, huh? Ugh, okay. Let's do it. And win! Oh, no, sorry. There we go. Win! Back to the main menu. Doesn't quite work for VR. We need to close the XR or something. We've got a nice, like, tranquil main menu music, which is nice. That is a semi-functional game. Yeah, we need to... What with the OpenXR thing? We got this StartXR thing in script. StartXR. Is there a way set up for OpenXR? On OpenXR session begun. Focus state, set enable, set up for blah 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 blah. I'm not seeing anything for ending it. End it. I guess current. I think that'll just have to be one of those things I have to get some outside help for. But that's okay. Before the bite. Can we play it by animation? Yeah, we can. Let's just quickly add it. We'll literally just go player. It's in the click, isn't it? And I've already have it set, so all I have to do is just go anim.play and then it's called what, attack, and then anim.speed_scale equals 1, and then literally I just need to make sure that when we do this check, I'll be like if anim.current animation, and is this a string? Yes. Does not equal attack, or anim.is animation. Oh, something playing is playing. Then it should just make that work. Let's see if that works. That's not what I wanted. Oh. I really shouldn't be changing all these things so close to the end. But why not? Why not, I say? This is already so good, and it, like, I mean, I'm just so happy with it. Like, I know that there are better looking things. I know this looks nothing like Shadow of the Colossus. I'm not joking myself. I wish that I could do so much more. But at the same time, 25 hours, which we're 10 minutes away from, mind-boggling. How did we do this? Genuinely. Okay. Don't know why you did that. I really do not know what this is. I should probably get rid of this. I should just get rid of all of the first stuff. Oh, that's so risky, but we don't need it in main. Why are you player mesh? Delete you. Yeah, we don't need you. Okay, and then add-ons, squiggles fur. Could we delete you? Yeah. I'll delete you, and then I'll delete the testing. And I guess the repo assets? Something. Don't even know. Is it examples? DD3. No, that's something else. It could be an assets though. Yeah. I'll delete all these. Can I close you? Discard. Okay. Let's just make sure everything builds fine. That was a risky thing to do 10 minutes before the end. I could have broken everything. I think it was worth it though. Oh, I think everything loaded quicker. It's kind of embarrassing. Yeah, no, it's definitely playing both at the same time. That must be annoying as hell. Okay. You don't do anything. I guess the... Yeah, we'll make that faster. Yeah, I'll make it like 3 times as fast. But other than that, I'm happy with that. Okay, yeah, we added that attack animation. I'm literally just gonna do 4 times as fast. We'll go meow. The sound. What was in my paint thing? Rebalance. We did everything. I mean, like, yeah, the rebalancing. Not really fast. Maybe a bit more. On the player movement, maybe a bit more. This. Actually, no, I think 3's fine. I think 3's good. Wow. Should be staggered for more than 2 seconds. 4 seconds is good. It'd be funny if the player like spanned when they were staggered. Because I'm pretty sure we have a player lookout or something, right? That's how we did it yesterday. Oh my gosh, this is such a mess of code. Wait, where did we set it? Velocity, apply force, player set access velocity. There was definitely a look at somewhere, right? Look at. There we are. Yeah, so if state does not equal climbing, so instead of you, let's do something silly. Let's do, I don't even know if, yeah, see there's a return here. Okay, cool. U, position, and then times some vector. Vector 3 spin, and we'll call you spin, and then spin will equal a new vector 3, spin.x equals current, oh god, mathf.cos current time times 2 times mathf.pi. It's like little lowercase pi, right? Yeah. What do you mean? This isn't a double, is it? Oh. Cast to float. And then z will equal sine. This might be really silly. This is definitely really, really silly, but let's really quickly test it. Oh, it's so easy to test now. Basically, it's just gonna make the cat spin whenever he's staggered. Oh, I didn't do it. Are we not setting the staggered state? Oh no.
should have worked. What's wrong with the bugger? You. What's your problem? Colossus-inspired. Seriously? There shouldn't be any. You're not a thing. Close you. Discard. It's not making it. Oh, do I have enough time? Do I have enough time to figure this out? Where does it get staggered? Should be damaged somehow, right? State equals. What do you mean? It's definitely a state equals. In this entire. Oh, I'm in the wrong bloody thing. State equals. Player state dot staggered. Right. This is never done, is it? Control Shift F. It is never once done. Cool. So we need something in health. We need okay, you can do this. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Don't joke. Health. There we go. When we get damaged, if get parent has child, get node. I don't want an error logged. There's nothing to do. I never did a staggered. That's okay. That's okay. Sometimes in the last minute, I don't know how to connect these two without creating a bunch of errors. Oh my god. Okay. That should work. Last feature in. Right. Oh my word. 20 seconds before. Oh, it could break. It could break the whole thing. It's done though. It's midnight. Happy birthday. Oh. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Let's see. Let's see if the staggered works. Oh, it could be bad. It could be broke. I don't mind. Whatever's happening now, it is out that door. It is going on the edge page. Oh boy. I gave up and then I fully just went into it. Oh, I should have Please work. Please, the love of God. Okay, go close to the foot. Let's move you. Oh, Oh. I think I was spinning for a second there. Kind of hard to tell. Let's move back closer. Maybe I wasn't. I'm seeing errors on the debugger. Might not have been meant to be. It's moving definitely, but I think that the spin's too slow. I must have messed that up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's this one. Oh well, it doesn't spin, but it does stagger now. I'm happy for that. And I'll fix it later. Thank you. Thank you. Genuinely, Patrick Thomas, you're legends. And it's a success. It's a success even if the spinning didn't work. I mean, I think the spinning is just, it's glitched in some way. And maybe that'll be the first thing I fix when I come back to this. I'm going to take a break for sure, though. And I'll put the link to the HIO page in the description. But thank you so much for joining me this journey. Oh, we went for so long that my little YouTube background thing paused itself. I'm gonna get Ruble and show him to the audience. Ugh. Come on, Ruble. Ruble. Hello. Hello. Where do you want to go? I know you want to stretch, but okay. Say hello to the nice internet people. Ugh. Ruble says hi. He was definitely asleep, and he is annoyed that I have woken you up. Oh. You okay? Oh, he likes being held. This is what he's like when he's not being naughty. Okay. Oh, and he's already... Oh, and he's already... Oh, no. Oh, God. He almost destroyed the stream. Oh. Do you want a purr? You want a purr for the mic? Oh, you're not going to purr? Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me in this adventure. I'm really happy with how it came out. And I am going to make a sum up video of all of this. So look out for that. Yeah. Happy 25th. Happy 25th. Ruble fully stepped on the keyboard. Okay. Bye, guys.